Step 1. Inventory. Check Step 2. Placement of mainframe. First, use the layout diagram to hoist the mainframe to the appropriate position and install all the base feet. Adjust the diagonal brackets as well. Remove the false guide rails at the 4 corners of the mainframe. Then, take off the 4 rings used for lifting. After removing the rings, install the 4 false guide rails. Step 3. Insertion of waste cart at the bottom of the main frame. Prepare the necessary materials. Secure the 2 waste carts, one in the front and the other in the back, using the connecting blocks. Once they are securely fastened, push the carts into the lower section of the main frame. Step 4. Leveling measurement. Before placing the main frame, place the base feet supports on the ground and position the leveling bubble on the main bed. Check if it is level. If it is not level, adjust the leveling by tightening or loosening the screws. Step 5. Connection between mainframe and tailframe. Prepare the necessary materials. Move the tailframe forward and align it with the mainframe. The method of leveling is the same as that of the mainframe. Connect the mainframe and the tailframe using 4 hexagonal guide rails. Demonstrate the completed installation. Step 6. Moving the lower work table to the frontmost position. Cut off the iron wire used for fixing on the tailframe. Push the work table underneath the tailframe to the frontmost position. Step 7. Securing the upper and lower work tables. Remove the screws and use them to secure the upper work table and the connection block on top of the main frame together. Secure the lower work table and the lower connection block together. Demonstrate the completed installation. Step 8. Organizing the wiring harness. Along the beam, prepare the necessary materials. First, remove the cover plate on the inner side of the drag chain. Place the 5 sets of wires from the beam onto the drag chain. Install the cover plate back onto the drag chain. Demonstrate the completed installation. Step 9. Installation of the 4 frames. Front, back, left, and right. Prepare the necessary materials. Connect the left side frame to the left side of the main frame. Connect the right side frame to the right side of the main frame. Connect the front frame to the front of the main frame. Connect the rear frame to the rear of the main frame. Demonstrate the completed installation. Step 10. Installation of drag chain and air chamber sheet metal. Prepare the necessary materials. Install the drag chain sheet metal on the left side of the main frame. Install the sheet metal for the air chamber. Demonstrate the completed installation. Step 11. Fixing the drag chain. Prepare the necessary materials. Install the sheet metal components. Secure the ends of the drag chain using screws. Demonstrate the completed installation. Step 12. Installation of LED lights. Prepare the necessary materials. Install 2 LED lights on each side frame. Place the shorter wire LED light at the back and the longer wire LED light at the front. Demonstrate the completed installation. Step 13, installation of top rod. Prepare the necessary materials. Connect the 3 top rods to the left and right frames. Demonstrate the completed installation. Step 15, installation of the protective shield sheet, metal below the front face. Prepare the necessary materials. Install the sheet metal below the front face. Demonstrate the completed installation. Step 16, installation of the door edge, sheet, metal and metal pedals. Prepare the necessary materials. Install the sheet metal for the door edge. Install the metal pedals. Step 17, installation of sheet metal, A1 and A2 on both sides of the front face. Prepare the necessary materials. Install the sheet metal A1 for the front face. Install the sheet metal A2 for the front face. Step 18, installation of sliding doors, B1 and B2. Prepare the necessary materials. Install the door handles for sliding doors, B1 and B2. Install the guide rail for sliding door B1. Install the guide rail for sliding door B2. Install sliding door B1. Install sliding door B2. Check if the movement of the sliding doors is smooth and functioning properly. Demonstrate the completed installation. Step 19. Installation of sheet metal on the right, left, and rear sides. Prepare the necessary materials. Install sheet metal #1. Install sheet metal #1. Install sheet metal #2. Install sheet metal #3. Install sheet metal #4. Install sheet metal #5. Install sheet metal #6. Install sheet metal #7. Install sheet metal #8. Install sheet metal #9. Install sheet metal #10. Install sheet metal #11. Secure sheet metals #8, #9, #10, and #11. Install sheet metal #51. Connect the wires according to the labels. Wire the connections for sheet metal #51. Step 20. Connecting the wires of the light strip. Prepare the necessary materials. Install cable clamps. Install the light strip. Install the light strip for sheet metal A1. Step 21. Placement of electrical cabinet, laser emitter, water chiller, stabilizer. Prepare the necessary materials. Step 22. Wiring of the display monitor. Install the monitor. Place the keyboard. Organize the wires and place them inside the main frame. Connect the VGA cable for the monitor. Connect the USB cable for the monitor. Connect the emergency stop signal cable. Install cable clamps. Connect the power cable for the monitor. Connect the power cable for the LED lights. Step 23. Installation of oil reservoir. Prepare the necessary materials. Install the oil reservoir. Step 24. Wiring of the oil reservoir. Prepare the necessary materials. 1 oil tube and 2 air tubes inside the drag chain. Pass them through the black fixing device into the air chamber. Connect the transparent white oxygen tube to the upper oxygen gauge. Connect the milky white rigid tube to the lower nitrogen gauge. Connect the oil tube to the oil reservoir on the right side. The pipe of the air valve comes in through the middle interface. Connect them according to the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and colors as indicated. Open the oil reservoir cover. Connect the power cable and signal cable to the inside of the oil reservoir. Connect them as shown in the diagram. Install the oil reservoir cover. Connect the blue air tube to the air pressure gauge. Connect the transparent hose to the 1.6 megapascals pressure gauge. Connect the white rigid tube to the 4 megapascals pressure gauge. Install the cover sheet metal for the air chamber. Add lubricating oil to the oil reservoir. Step 25. Installation of cylinder-shaped sheet metal. Prepare the necessary materials. Install the cylinder-shaped sheet metal on the left side of the main bed. Demonstrate the completed installation. Step 26. Installation of honeycomb hood for protection. Prepare the necessary materials. Clean any dust or foreign particles from the guide rails before installing the honeycomb protective cover with sheet metal on the right side. Install the honeycomb protective cover with sheet metal on the left side. Install the honeycomb protective cover on the right side. Install the sheet metal on the left side. Install the honeycomb protective cover on the left side. Install the sheet metal on the right side. Install the sheet metal on the left side. Step 27. Electrical cabinet power supply. Connect the 5 sets of wires to the electrical cabinet in the order of the connectors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feed the servo encoder wires into the cabinet. Organize and arrange the wiring harness. Feed the USB and VGA cables into the cabinet. Organize and arrange the wiring harness. Demonstrate the completed installation. Step 28. Installation of fans. Prepare the necessary materials. Install the fans on the top sheet metal. If the fans have English markings, install them on the side with the raised sheet metal and place the wire mesh on the other side to prevent foreign objects from entering the fans. Demonstrate the completed installation. Step 29. Installation of sheet metal on the right, rear, top, and door edge. Prepare the necessary materials. Install the securing bolts for sheet metal #13. Install the iron plate for sheet metal #13. Install sheet metal #13. Rotate the key to secure the sheet metal. Install sheet metal #14. Install sheet metal #15. Install sheet metal #16. Secure sheet metal #16. Install sheet metal #17. Secure sheet metal #17. Install sheet metal #18. Secure sheet metal #18. Install sheet metal #19. Secure sheet metal #19. Install sheet metal #22. Secure sheet metal #22. Install sheet metal #21. Secure sheet metal #21. Install sheet metal #20. Secure sheet metal #20. Install sheet metal #12. Secure sheet metal #12. Install sheet metal L4. Install sheet metal M4. Install sheet metal R4. Install sheet metal L3. Install sheet metal M3. Install sheet metal R3. Install sheet metal L2. Install sheet metal M2. Install sheet metal R2. Install sheet metal L1. Install sheet metal M1. Install sheet metal R1. Secure the top sheet metal. Install the sheet metal next to the sliding door. Step 30. Wiring of servo motors. servo motor wiring. Step 31. Installation of water pipes, power cords, and signal cables for laser emitter. Prepare the necessary materials. Connect the 2 water tubes of the laser emitter. The blue end should be connected to the water outlet of the laser emitter, and the red end should be connected to the water inlet of the laser emitter. The blue end of the other side should be connected to the low-temperature water outlet of the water chiller, and the red end should be connected to the low-temperature water return port. Connect the power cable and signal cable of the laser emitter. The other end of the signal cable should enter the electrical cabinet, waiting to be connected later. The signal cable of the water chiller should enter the electrical cabinet and wait for connection. The blue water tube should be connected to the normal temperature water outlet, and the orange water tube should be connected to the normal temperature water return port. One end of the air filter should be connected to the laser emitter. Fix it on the wall, and the other end should be connected to the customer's air compressor. The air from the air compressor should be filtered and free from water or impurities. Step 32. Installation of cutting head. Prepare the necessary materials. Clean any dust or foreign particles from the guide rails before installing the honeycomb protective cover. Remove the sheet metal and drag chain cover for the Z-axis. Remove the long sheet metal for the X-axis. Place the laser emitter into the main bed. Secure the cutting head. Fix the yellow fiber optic cable of the laser emitter from the drag chain to the buckle and inside the sheet metal. Secure it to the drag chain buckle of the Y-axis. Organize the yellow fiber optic cable neatly. Install the sheet metal components. Install the previously removed sheet metal components. Install the drag chain cover. Connect the water tubes and wires for the cutting head. Install the previously removed drag chain cover and sheet metal components. Install the amplifier for the cutting head. Connect the wires on top of the amplifier and the RF cable below. Demonstrate the completed installation. Step 33. Installation of left side sheet metal. Prepare the necessary materials. Install the iron plate for sheet metal #24. Install sheet metal #24. Rotate the key to secure the sheet metal. Install sheet metal #25. Install the iron plate for sheet metal #26. Install sheet metal #26. Install sheet metal #27. Install sheet metal #28. Step 34. Electrical cabinet wiring. Demonstrate the completed installation. Connect the power cable to the mainframe. Connect the VGA cable to the mainframe. Connect the USB cable to the mainframe. Connect the Ethernet cable. Connect the motion control card cable. Connect the height adjustment cable. Connect the serial cable of the laser emitter. Install the receiver for the handheld pendant. Prepare the necessary materials. Demonstrate the completed installation. Follow the wiring instructions shown in the video. Prepare the necessary materials. Demonstrate the completed installation. Follow the wiring instructions shown in the video. Demonstrate the completed installation. Follow the wiring instructions shown in the video. Prepare the necessary materials. Follow the wiring instructions shown in the video. Prepare the necessary materials. Demonstrate the completed installation. Follow the wiring instructions shown in the video. Prepare the necessary materials. Demonstrate the completed installation. Follow the wiring instructions shown in the video. Step 35. Stabilizer wiring. This is the power cable for the electrical cabinet, water chiller, laser emitter, and voltage stabilizer. The power cable for the voltage stabilizer connects to the input, while the other three power cables connect to the output. For the voltage stabilizer, the three live wires are connected to L1, L2, and L3. The zero wire is connected to N, and the ground wire is connected to PE. For the laser emitter power cable, L1, L2, and L3 are connected to U, V, and W respectively, and the ground wire is connected to PE. For the water chiller power cable, the three live wires are connected to U, V, and W. The zero wire is connected to N, and the ground wire is connected to PE. For the electrical cabinet power cable, the three live wires are connected to U, V, and W, the zero wire is connected to N, and the ground wire is connected to PE. First, connect the three zero wires. Then connect the four ground wires. And finally, connect the live wires. Step 36. Water chiller. Filling with distilled water. Fill the water chiller with distilled water according to the marking on the water level scale. Make sure to use distilled water. The water level should be at the halfway mark in the green area of the scale. Step 37. Pre-startup voltage check. Before starting up, use a multimeter to measure if the three-phase voltage is 380 V. Confirm the measurement of 380 V and power on the electrical cabinet. Use a multimeter to measure if the three-phase voltage is 380 V. Measure the input voltage of the stabilizer to confirm if it is 380 V. Turn on the stabilizer. Measure the output voltage of the stabilizer to confirm if it is 380 V. Step 38. Secondary water filling after startup. After the water chiller is turned on, the water level will drop to the red area. Add distilled water to the water chiller until it reaches above halfway in the green area. Start the laser emitter. Step 39. Adjustment calibration. Insert the wireless transmitter for the mouse. Open the SipCut software. Change the language settings. Click on the blue question mark and send the QR code to the manufacturer to obtain the license code. Enter the license code. Click OK and restart the software. Language change successful. Displaying low-pressure alarms for oxygen and nitrogen. Change the language to English. Close SipCut and open the platform configuration tool. Enter the password 6129023. Open the alarm interface and double-click on Yang Qi Dia Bao Jing to change it to O2 low alarm. Double-click on Yang Qi Gao Ya Bao Jing to change it to O2 high alarm. Double-click on Dan Qi Dia Bao Jing to change it to N2 low alarm. Double-click on Dan Qi Gao Ya Bao Jing to change it to N2 high alarm. Change the first and third lines to NC, then click Save and close the tool. Open SipCut, and there are still 2 alarms remaining for oxygen and nitrogen low pressure. Clear the alarms. Pallet arrive not detected. Click on the CNC, then click on Table Exchange. Click Jog, and then select either Pallet A Auto Push or Pallet B Auto Push. Move the work table. Click Stop to end the movement and clear the Pallet Arrive Not Detected alarm. The current work table is B, switch to A. Click pallet A, auto push. Switch between A and B work tables. Remove the protective film from the cutting head. Place a flat sheet on the platform. Click BCS 100 to change the language. Click F2, then 8, then ENT, and set the language to 1. If it is already in English, no need to change. Clear the capacitance diminished alarm by clicking F1 and then 1. Click ENT. Adjust the cutting head within a small range up and down. Click 2. Use the remote control to hold down Z. Move the cutting head down until it is 2-3 mm away from the sheet, then stop. The capacitance diminished alarm will be cleared. Click ORG to move the cutting head up. Click F1, then 3, then ENT. Move the cutting head down, and after a few seconds, move it back up. Use the K1 button on the remote control to turn on and off the LED lights. Open the platform configuration tool and enter the password 61290023. Click Laser, select COM2 as the port number, and then save and close the tool. Open SIPCUT and click Emission. The red laser dot should disappear. Click More and confirm the parameters: 20% power, 1000 Hz frequency, and 20% duty cycle. Click Laser Burst. Generate laser pulses. Step 40, Shutdown. Shut down the operating system. Turn off the laser emitter. Turn off the water chiller. Turn off the electrical cabinet. Finally, turn off the stabilizer.